Hello everyone, it's me JP from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you how to add different colors for different folders in any Windows computer. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly, just open any web browser and in the Google search just search for one application name as folder marker, and on the first list you will see its official website. Just click on it. Now you will see its official website. Now on the above you can see your products. Just select this and now you will see your folder marker free. So we're gonna use this free version, so later if you like then you can get the pro version. So for this video tutorial we're gonna use this folder marker free, which is enough for our task. So let me click on it. So just scroll down below and now you will see your download folder maker free now, and you see it. Just click on it. Now wait for a few seconds until the complete downloading is done. So finally the file has been downloaded, so let me go to the folder where it is being downloaded and let me close this web browser. So just double click it to run the software installer. Now just click on next, click on I accept the agreement, click on next, click on next, click on next, click on next. Now click on install and wait for a few more seconds until the complete installation is done. So finally the software has been installed, so you can click on finish and wait for a few more seconds. So it's processing now. So finally you can see the software user interface. So you will get some options, like here you can see the folder icon. So these are the colors available inside the pre version. So if you want more colors then you need to get the pro version, but here we're just gonna use this free version. And you can see next to it is the main, so you will get some default folder icons like download and respective folder documents icons, user icons. So you can add your own custom icon files also here. And above you can select a folder, which folder icon you want to change by clicking on here. So inside this application you can directly use here to change the respective folder, or you can do one more thing. Say let me open File Explorer, so you can see here I have a different folders, right? Say I want to add our different colors for this three respective folders. So what I will do, so now just right click on the respective folder and just go to show more option, and here you will see one option, mark folder. Now you will see here tons of folder icons and even you can see your colors. So let me select here a green color. So you can see here the green color has been applied for this respective folder. So let us try with the other folder, do the same thing. Just go to the mark folder option and let us try with different colors, like say a black. So you can see, and let us try with this other folder also, do the same thing. So let us try this gray color. So you can see I have added different colors for different folders in my respective Windows computer. So using this free software named as folder marker, you can easily add different colors for different folders in any Windows computer very easily. So if you never known about this cool software, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.